Welcome to Best Choice. The best Intex Pool Tubes is probably one of the most essential accessories for any pool owner looking to maximize their summer fun and relaxation, offering a comfortable and durable way to float and enjoy the water. Whether you're lounging by yourself, playing with the kids, or hosting a pool party, having reliable and high-quality pool tubes can significantly enhance the overall experience, ensuring everyone stays comfortable and safe while making the most of those sunny days. This review will dive deep into what makes certain Intex Pool Tubes stand out from the rest, helping you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Intex 38-inch transparent tube with handles. Get ready for a groovy summer with this fun, flower-designed pool float. It's perfect for relaxing and enjoying your time out on the water. Crafted from durable 10-gauge vinyl, this float is built to last. You can count on it for many seasons of aquatic enjoyment. Featuring 2 heavy-duty handles, carrying this float to and from the pool or beach is a breeze. Transporting your fun has never been easier. Designed for one rider, this float offers your own personal space to unwind. Enjoy a peaceful and comfortable experience on the water. This transparent tube is your ticket to a summer of fun. Just add air and you're ready to make a splash. What we like? This tube offers a fun and relaxing experience on the water. Its durable vinyl and heavy-duty handles ensure a secure and enjoyable ride. If you're looking for a comfortable and sturdy way to float, this is a great choice for solo relaxation. What people say. The replacement tubes are a perfect fit for the Intex pool. They are durable and hold air well, lasting the entire swimming season. Easy to inflate and deflate, making setup and storage a breeze. Number 4. Intex QuickFill Electric Air Pump. Introducing the Intex QuickFill Electric Air Pump, your go-to solution for inflating and deflating air mattresses, kayaks, boats, and toys quickly and efficiently. It comes with 2 interconnecting nozzles, ensuring compatibility with various valve sizes. This makes it incredibly versatile for all your inflatable products. Experience portable inflation like never before. Its high airflow and compact design make it an efficient and convenient choice for all your outdoor inflation needs. Built to the highest standards, this pump prioritizes safety, quality, and value. You can trust its durability and performance for lasting use. We are committed to your satisfaction. Our customer service team is readily available to assist with any questions regarding use, installation, or service. What we like? Effortlessly inflate and deflate your pool accessories with this electric pump. Its versatility with different nozzles and portable design make it ideal for quick setup and takedown. If you have multiple inflatables or want to save time and energy, this pump is a must-have. What people say. It inflated my air mattress in just a couple minutes and deflates it just as fast. Compact, lightweight, and easy to store. The different nozzle sizes fit everything I needed. This Intex pump had the power to inflate it the rest of the way, nice and firm. Highly recommend. It moves a lot of air, 650 L-min, for quick inflation and deflation of all sorts and sizes of tubing tubes. It is rugged, lightweight and powerful with reasonable battery stamina. Number 3. Intex Replacement Hose Adapter AW Collar. Easily convert your threaded hoses to clamp style with this essential adapter. It's designed to work with both 1.5 and 1.25-inch hoses for your Intex pool set. This is the A-Series adapter pair, model 25007. It's a genuine Intex OEM replacement part, ensuring your pool remains safe and functional. It fits all Intex filter pumps with capacities of 4,000, 2,500, 2,000, and 1,500 gallons per hour that utilize threaded hose connections. This adapter is also compatible with Intex chlorine generators and salt systems that feature threaded hose connections. Ensure your pool's filtration system operates at its best with this reliable replacement part. It's designed for optimal performance and safety. What we like? Ensure a secure connection for your pool's filtration system with this adapter. It's designed to work seamlessly with various Intex pumps and systems. If you have a threaded hose connection and need to adapt it for your Intex filter pump or salt system, this is the reliable OEM solution. What people say. The replacement tubes are a perfect fit for the Intex pool. They are durable and have held up well throughout the summer season. Easy to install and connect to the existing pool system. Number 2. Intex Easy Install Pool Pump Replacement Hose, 2-pack. It's always a good idea to have a spare. Keep an extra hose on hand for convenience, ensuring peace of mind and uninterrupted pool maintenance. This accessory hose is designed for specific pump models, providing a tailored solution for your pool equipment needs. With a generous length, this accessory hose provides ample reach and is easy to install, ensuring hassle-free compatibility with your pool equipment. Each hose is lightweight yet durable, offering confidence in its performance for your pool maintenance needs. These specifications ensure optimal compatibility and reach, making this accessory hose a versatile solution for your pool maintenance. Enjoy peace of mind with 30-day coverage for any product defects, instilling confidence in its durability and performance. What we like? Keep your pool maintenance running smoothly with this replacement hose. Its easy installation and ample length make it a practical choice for your Intex pump. If you want peace of mind and uninterrupted pool care, having a spare hose on hand is always a smart move. What people say. The replacement tubes are a perfect fit for the Intex pool. They are made of durable material and seem to hold up well to use. Easy to inflate and deflate, making setup and takedown a breeze. Number 1. Intex Sand Filter Pump Replacement Parts. Ensure your pool stays sparkling clean all season long. This set provides essential replacement parts for your Intex Sand Filter Pump. This kit includes crucial O-rings designed to maintain the optimal performance of your sand filter system. Keep your pump running smoothly. The tank O-ring is specifically designed for 12 and 14-inch sand filter pumps and combos. It's a vital component for a secure seal. This replacement O-ring is for the drain valve on your sand filter pump and combo. It ensures a leak-free operation. The L-shape O-ring is designed for the motor of your sand filter pump. This ensures proper function and longevity of the unit. Don't let worn-out parts disrupt your pool enjoyment. These replacements are made for a variety of Intex sand filter pumps. What we like? This repair set provides the crucial O-rings needed to maintain your Intex sand filter pump. Proper sealing is essential for efficient operation and preventing leaks. If your sand filter pump is experiencing issues or you want to perform preventative maintenance, these genuine replacement parts are key. What people say. The replacement tubes fit perfectly with the Intex pool. These tubes are durable and have held up well through multiple uses. Easy to install and connect to the existing pool system. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.